Today is the day!
Yes!
Wix event.
Wix event!
Yes, Wix event! Woo!
It's gonna be a real fun event. We got boba, pizza, merch, raffle, and us.
Yeah.
Dunzo.
Done. Whoa. Hi everyone, what is up? My name is Ellie and today I'm going to be taking you through the adventure that we had for the back to school bash at the Wix playground in New York for Codédex. So I flew in from Chicago to go and hang out with my team, and we're going to be showing you a little bit of behind the scenes and also just how fun this event really was. I also took the time to interview our engineer Asaker and then our founder Sunny to get some behind the scenes on where they see Codédex growing and how this event is only just the beginning.
1 year from now?
So we're really excited and thank you for joining me on this adventure.
Hello, I'm Naomi. I'm the social media manager here at Codédex. This is a camp store. As you can see behind me, back to school bash. We're so excited because this is our last stop ever on our campus store. So me and Sunny Asaker went around New York City to various schools and we attended hackathons. We set up booths to chat about all this having Codédex. And this is the finale. So yeah, excited. I'm also nervous, pretty excited.
Alright, what's up everybody? My name's Sunny. Asker, I'm one of the software engineers at Codédex. I'm the founder and chief vibes officer at Codédex. In 1 year from now, I hope we can build out all of the 4 pillars that the team has talked about.
I'd say a year from now we have more users and we have more impact on those users, whether that's to help them throughout their college journey or their self-learning journey like ours.
So gamification, mobile app, community, more AI features.
We have like all these speakers out where they have everything they need to do like whatever they want.
And hopefully more hundreds of thousands of people can come to our site, learn tech skills, and level up and make meaningful friendships.
What has been the most impactful feature you have genuinely been excited to work on directly?
We good. So that's a problem because we have 4 different pillars and we think like those 4 pillars are equal to work. So I generally, it's like choosing between like your favorite children. You don't have a favorite.
Got it.
Reporting live from the Wix studio. Please come. We'll see you guys at 6 p.m. Bye.
Throughout the whole thing, I might sprinkle in a few questions from social media. We got a few questions from Discord, Instagram, our own platform community. And maybe at the very end, we're going to do a Q&A session. And later, we're going to do after this whole thing wraps up, we're going to do a guided networking events where you all get to meet each other, right? A lot of you came from CUNY schools, Columbia, NYU, very different bubbles. Y'all don't really hang out outside the hackathon, so here, hopefully you get an opportunity to mingle, network a little bit more, and walk away with
for sponsoring some of our food. And again, lastly, thank you to Wix Studio for allowing us to use this space for our finale.
One, two, three. The finale!